Oh, this voice. Kainde! Kainde! Kainde!
Oh, this woman said, my mama said, I don't understand now.
Ma! So, Kainde, I dey call you since. You know they hear me? Where you dey? So, you know they hear me?
But mama, no be you send me message for inside now. Say make I go and arrange all those clothes with the inside. Eh? You see they call me again. What do you want me to help you do now?
How long it go take you? Eh? By the way, where is your daddy? But where is your daddy? Look at you. My father like son. Idiot. Go and call your daddy for me. Food not there inside though. As you talk like a chimpanzee, so you will not go eat for this house? Eh? Where is your daddy? Go and call your daddy. May he give us food eat. Now he work. I don't understand this kind of thing though. Ah.
Mama self. Eh? No be drink you dey drink so, and you say you dey hungry. I beg you, make her sit down, Jerry. You say you dey hungry, you don't drink all the drink wey Papa buy for us, you don't drink everything finish. Ah. Papa go buy drink put for house, go finish everything. I ask money for food for Papa and before he come out too, but he tell me say they come back. And wait till he tell me that. Today, I say tomorrow you know do. Oh, home is home. This doorstep, I have to do something about it. Hey, Kuku. Biamwanya, I hope it's not my drink you are drinking. So, Mutamanya, Yebura. It's alright. Where that my son will not resemble me?
I don't see you. Why they not go drink your drink? Look at you, you call yourself a man. No food for house. You see. Why not go drink your drink? You call yourself a man, like grown-up man like you. Look at you, Iche. Which kind of Iche when you be? No food for house. You carry red cap for head.
I be digital Iche. Digital Iche, number one. Number one.
I don't blame you. Your son, go ask of your son.
Since I marry you for this house, since I marry you, the so problem you dey give me. Now I don't they think we have for me mistake. The only solution now to return you go meet your people, so that I will get my peace.
I may go return you.
You go return me. You go return me.
Because you are not a man.
It's alright.
Kainde.
It's alright.
Ma?
Do you hear your father?
Papa? Papa?
Ogene.
You tell me, say if you come back, you will come give us money for food. Now you don't come back, you are welcome. I don't greet you like 3 times. You don't answer me.
Since when I know you and this woman, especially you, I even suspect your mama because first you not resemble me. 2, you talk past your papa. Even you and your mama they suspect 2 of now. Whether na borrow you come my life because since I know you, you never become anything where I don't see and there is no hope. I don't even they make plan whether I go see if na Somalian people or literal wey go fit buy you so that make I use your money to invest so that I fit send your mama away man another woman. You understand? Because 2 of una I dey suspect 2 of una.
Kainde, do you hear your father?
Mama?
Do you hear him?
Mama?
Give me my cup, make I drink my gin.
Mama?
Drink waiting. Do you hear him?
Mama? How many times I call you Mama?
Kainde, my son.
The last time I saw you making call in the kitchen, I thought it was a joke. Now I need to confirm. Who is my real father? How can I be taller than my father?
Very good. Very
Because
good.
the way my papa talk now, He dey tell me say I be bastard pikin.
Very good. I go give you money to eat chop kuli because
Kehinde.
only this question wey you talk now na the
Kehinde.
only good thing wey I don hear from you since so they say you be my pikin. I no be your father because you no resemble me.
Oh my God.
This woman ask am.
I dey hear you when you dey shout Otedola something for phone for kitchen.
What the bunk?
Who be my papa? If na Otedola make I know abeg.
Oh my God. Oh.
I don tire for this song.
Kehinde, my son. Are you trying to accuse me that this Zacchaeus is not your father? Forget him. This man.
Mama, I know they accuse you. I know they accuse
What are you trying to say?
Now wetin I see, wetin I hear for kitchen. Now I make I dey ask you who be my real papa.
I no
This is your papa.
No be you don tell when I dey suspect two of now. Even you no even carry my character, you no carry my stature. Pikin talk pass him papa. I dey wonder, say this woman. No wonder. Okay.
Don't mind him, no money because he no wan give us money for food.
Why this kind man go be my papa? Na me wan ask you now.
I no be your papa.
Na me you resemble. Because
how I take resemble you, mama? Me I dey even dey think say whether na Otedola, I be Otedola
E
be
good.
son.
Two of na resemble.
na me you resemble.
Because I dey hear you dey wake up.
Two of na resemble, no doubt. Because you don't tell. I dey ask myself question. I say, I be believe myself. I be believe myself before, but I don't see am clear.
Papa,
Or I go comot for my house.
Papa, abeg no vex. Wetin you use your young age do sef?
What do you mean?
Wetin you use your young age do? Why you no come get money?
This house where you sit down, you know how many times it take me to build am?
Wetin you build? You no see Otedola, see wetin you build, wetin everything.
Otedola was my classmate.
When you come there when you dey make the money.
That money when he make, na me borrow am.
Kehinde, my son. Assam.
What do you mean?
Every day na
Assam.
drink you go dey
What
drink.
the-
Every time
Assam.
you go dey buy drink come this house. You
Assam.
never for this life if they say bring money for food na wahala.
Because na only the two dey give me joy. You and your mama not dey give me joy. 12 na not dey give me joy for this house. And the best thing, this one, Dururi, I go send and go give him people. You, I never know wetin I wan do with you. Whether na sell I go sell you, or I go use
Mama,
take
you don't need
exchange
to
something.
cry. You don't need to cry. Na you cause all this thing. When Otedola dey toast you that time, assuming you don gree, all this thing no go dey happen.
I love your daddy, but Kehinde.
Carry that love go somewhere.
Kehinde.
Carry that love go somewhere.
Na because of ogogo na I make my papa marry you so. Because you know say you love like ogogo.
If I buy drink before I come back home, you go finish am.
Because your papa no bring money for food.
Eh?
How you wan take bring money for food? You don make all the drink wey you dey buy finish. Money wey suppose dey use dey cook for us. You don use am buy drink for us na.
And two of una go follow. I want this house, na my house. I need to stay here alone. In fact, I need another woman. Simple. I need another
So
woman.
you won't leave us come out now.
I need another woman. This one not fair be my own. I don't know where it for bring and come.
You won't leave us come out.
I dey leave you so.